Hello, everyone. My name is Agustin Sanchez, and I'm here at the Downtown Library. And welcome to another Lunch and Learn. Today, I want to talk to you about some things you can check out of the library. You might already be familiar with some of the digital things that you can check out online, and of course, the books. But we also have laptops at some of our branches. We also have vinyl records that you can check out, and one of the more exciting ones, there's a branch where you can check out telescopes. So let's dig into some of this stuff so that you can learn how to do this. Okay, so let's go through the basics on how to access these resources. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is how to check out a laptop from the laptop kiosk, right? So as most of the things here, you want to go to the chpl.org website, the Cincinnati Public Library website. You want to go to services, and under using the library, you will see that they have the laptop kiosk. There's a couple of ways where you can get to the laptop kiosk, but this is one of the fastest one. So you want to click here, and it would take you to this page dedicated just to the laptop kiosk. And the first thing you're gonna find some information on it, but it's gonna be divided into the locations. You can see which libraries have laptop kiosk, so that you can go ahead and show up there and use one of these laptops for free. Uh, and and it also tells you which kind of software is going to be included on these laptops. You can see that you have Adobe Acrobat, you got Google Earth, you got Microsoft Office. So it tells you pretty much if you know some of these programs, what you will be able to do with all of them, right? And then the last thing it has a section on videos on how to check out a laptop. And you can see that it has one version in English, and then it has one version in Spanish para todos aquellos que no hablan inglés, pero hablan español. So here it is. Check it out. Enjoy it. Okay, so the laptop kiosk is a very exciting service from the library, but the other two services that I'm about to show you are also very exciting. The first one is going to be vinyl records. I'm a fan of vinyl records. I have my record player at home, and I check out records from the library all the time, LP records. And here's the thing: maybe you digged up your old record player. Maybe you found your father's old record player, your grandparents' old record player, and you want to get into it again. But I know, buying them could be very expensive. But this is where the library comes to your rescue. The library has a huge collection of LP records out there with a lot of taste, anything from classical music to rock music to pop music. So let's take a look at how you would find something, how you would start exploring to find an LP record. So the best thing to do would be to go to the catalog again at the Cincinnati Public Library website, chpl.org. And we're going to look for something. Maybe we want to listen to Mozart. Okay, and you can see that you're gonna have 2,393 results for Mozart because you're gonna have books, you're gonna have ebooks, you have picture books, graphic novels. So what you want to do is you want to look at this filter section here, and there's even some movies about Mozart. Maybe Amadeus is there, probably. But you want to look over here where it says LPs, and it tells you there's 226 LPs for Mozart. So then you can explore, see what you want to go ahead and check out, take it home, listen to it, and experience it the way it's meant to be experienced on a vinyl record. Let's take a look at another example before we move on. Let's look at the Ninth Symphony by Beethoven, and I click on Ninth Symphony, and it already gives us again, 61 results. Okay, but we have some of them in music CDs, and it says that it has 3 LPs. So this is great. It has reduced our search to just three. So the Nine Symphonies, um, there it is, Nine Symphonies again, and the early years to the Eroica. So you can go ahead and again check them out, place them on hold, Pick them up at your favorite library, and you can go ahead and start, um, getting back to that experience of playing LPs on your record. If you're not sure what you're looking for, sometimes you're looking for an artist and there's nothing from that artist in LPs, or you want to find something new. It might be a little bit difficult to find around in the catalog. What I like to do is I like to come down to the Cincinnati Downtown Library on the second floor right now. Well, the south building is on construction for the moment. The north building on the second floor, you should be able to find a collection of vinyl records. You can go through it. You can select what you want. You can get anything from again classical music, Bob Dylan, Taylor Swift. You can find anything. So check it out. Check out the catalog. Check out the ones that we have here in display. Maybe you find something new that you will like. Okay, the next service is for me one of the most exciting ones. When I found out about this, it blew my mind because I've always wanted to buy a telescope. I'm not familiar with, stargazing. I'm not familiar with astronomy or anything like that, but I do want to get into it. But it's not a hobby that is cheap to get into. A telescope is going to be expensive to buy. So, hey, what better way than, to have the library lend you one? So, the library is giving us this service. So, let me show you how to go about getting a telescope for yourself, checking out one from by checking it out from the library. Okay. So, again, Cincinnati Public Library website, chpl.org. You go to services, you click on more right here where it says use in the library, and then it's going to take you here. You scroll down until you find telescope lending. So we're going to click on this, and it's going to give you information on how to check out a telescope. It's going to tell you how you can reserve a 7-day pass, and it's going to tell you the branches where this service is available. So all you got to do is come to one of these branches, and ask for to check out a telescope. And over here at the bottom, what I recommend is before you head out there and try to check out a telescope, I would recommend checking out this video put together by Dean Regas, and here it's going to show you how to use a telescope, how to best use a telescope so you can get the best out of it. He's going to tell you the basics on how to use it, and he's going to tell you also the things you're going to get with a telescope. You're going to get two of his books so that you can have a guide as to how to stargaze. If you're a beginner like me, this is where you want to start. Maybe you want to check out again. You will be checking out those books as well with the telescope. You will be checking out a map of the stars, and you will be enjoying this at home. But I'm gonna let you check this video out for yourself. Just come here and click on the link, check it out, then go to the library and check out a telescope. And leave me some comments here under the video. Let me know if how your experience with the telescope has been. Okay, have a good stargazing. I hope you enjoyed the resources that we share with you today, and I hope to have you back here. Thank you. So there you have it. Visit some of these branches. If you have a record player at home, you can go ahead and check out some vinyls. If you don't have a laptop and want to work at a library, you can go ahead and come over to one of these branches, check out one from our laptop kiosk, and the most exciting one, you can go ahead and get a telescope so you can explore the skies. See you on the next one. Thank you.